Okay, so for this question, we're going to form this first. So we're going to form this and simplify it. So what components are involved to form this form? First of all, we need to compute fx plus h. And that just means that we're going to take this input, and plug it into the function. And this is our function right here. And we're going to just place it for x. So x plus h is going to be placed for x in the function. So that will be just m times, I'm putting x plus h in place of x, and plus b. Okay, and let's just go ahead and simplify this first. And we can do that by just distributing m. So mx plus m times h plus b. And the next component involved here is just f of x, right? And f of x is given to us. That's just this. So the third thing we will do is just subtract these two. So this is fx plus h, and this is f of x. We're going to subtract these two because that's what this form says. So let's subtract it. So fx plus h minus f of x equal mx plus m times h plus b, and then minus m of mx and minus b, because I will distribute this minus to both, so we'll get this. And now let's simplify this. So you see mx cancels, right? B cancels. So all we got here is m times h. Okay. Now let's just finish this. So the top I already found it, right? The top is m times h. We already compute that. And now I will just divide it by h. So finally we'll just do this. We'll do m times h divided by h. Then h will cancel also. So then we'll just get m. M will be our final answer. Well, in fact, let me just tell you an important thing here. In fact, difference of quotient, when you use the differential of quotient for linear function, this is linear, right? This is linear function. When you use difference of quotient for linear function, your answer will just be the slope of the function. Because this is really just the slope. This difference of quotient is really just the slope of the function at some point x. But for linear function, the slope is just a coefficient of x. So that's why it's not a coincidence that we get m as an answer. So if your function is linear, then the difference of quotient is just going to be slope of the function.